Have you ever pondered about the immense power of video in our digital age? In a world where every pixel tells a story, the right video can evoke emotions, inspire ideas, and engage audiences like no other medium. But what if you could harness this power, even if you're not a seasoned filmmaker? Enter InVideo's text-to-video AI, a revolutionary tool that's changing the game for content creators, educators, marketers, and storytellers across the globe. This isn't just about converting lines of text into a video. It's about transforming the way we create, share, and consume content in the digital age. Imagine being able to create captivating videos with just a few lines of text. No need for expensive equipment, no need for in-depth editing skills, and certainly no need for endless hours of shooting. InVideo's text-to-video AI does the heavy lifting for you. It takes your written words and magically transforms them into a visually engaging video, complete with animation, music, and voiceovers. But the benefits of InVideo's text-to-video AI go beyond just saving time and resources. It empowers you to tell your stories in a way that resonates with your audience. Whether you're explaining a complex concept, sharing a personal narrative, or promoting a product, a video created with InVideo's AI engages your audience on a deeper level. It helps you to convey your message more effectively, making it easier for your audience to understand and remember your content. Moreover, InVideo's text-to-video AI opens up new possibilities for creativity. With this tool at your disposal, you're not just a content creator, but a visual storyteller. You get to experiment with different formats, styles, and narratives, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with video content. In a world where attention spans are dwindling and information overload is a real challenge, it's more important than ever to create content that stands out. And that's exactly what InVideo's text-to-video AI enables you to do. So why not seize the opportunity? Why not harness the power of video and let your words paint 1,000 moving pictures? Why not transform your content into an immersive, engaging, and unforgettable experience? Give InVideo's text-to-video AI a try. Experience the power of storytelling unleashed and let your content shine in the digital age. After all, every pixel tells a story, and it's time for your story to be heard.
Have you ever pondered on how to transform AI text into a captivating video with InVideo? The answer is simpler than you might think, and today we're diving into the step-by-step process of achieving just that.